In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI to craft a standout resume and cover letter. Whether you're applying for a marketing manager position or a software developer role, these guidelines will help you create documents that shine. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Perplexity. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and straightforward. This platform is a fantastic tool for generating drafts of professional documents. Now, let's start with the resume. In the input field, type a prompt like, "Write a professional resume for a marketing manager with 5 years of experience." If you're crafting a cover letter, you might prompt, "Write a cover letter for a software developer applying to Google." Perplexity will generate a draft based on your input. Let it work its magic and then take a moment to review the draft. Remember, these drafts are a solid foundation, but personal touches are crucial. As you review the draft, insert your own achievements, skills, and metrics. This will not only personalize your resume, but also make your experience more tangible for potential employers. For example, if you increase sales by 20% in a previous role, be sure to include that detail. Quantifiable achievements resonate with hiring managers and help you stand out. Once you've made these personal edits, it's time to optimize. Ask Perplexity, optimize this resume for ATS systems. ATS, or applicant tracking systems, are used by employers to filter resumes. By optimizing your resume, you increase the chances of getting noticed among a sea of applicants. Formatting is another key aspect. Prompt Perplexity with, "Format the resume for a modern, clean look." A well-organized resume with a clean design not only appeals visually, but also conveys professionalism and attention to detail. When you turn your attention to the cover letter, consider the tone you wish to convey. Ask Perplexity to make the cover letter sound confident yet friendly. Striking the right balance of professionalism and warmth can set the tone for successful communication with potential employers. With your updated resume and cover letter draft in hand, copy the text into your preferred document editor. Whether it's Google Docs, Word, or another application, apply your preferred styling. Consistent fonts, spacing, and alignment can enhance readability and attractiveness. And there you have it. Using these steps, you can create tailored, polished resumes and cover letters ready to capture the eye of any employer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tools and tips helpful in your job search.